Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have owner or design permission on the target Sharepoint site so you can create and configure lists. Once done, choose the list type that fits your workflow: a custom list for flexibility, issue tracker for tasks, or import from Excel to preserve data. Make sure to plan your columns now. Name, column types, which fields are required, and any default values. Starting with a clear schema saves time during configuration and when adding views later. You create the list from site contents or the site home using new list, give it a concise name and description, then add your columns. Add choice, person, date, lookup, number, currency, or yes/no fields based on planned data types. Once columns exist, configure settings, mark required fields, set defaults, add validation formulas, and index high-use columns for performance. Also, use lookup columns judiciously. They add relationships, but can affect sync and performance if overused. You finish by creating views that match user needs: standard list, datasheet for bulk edits, calendar for dates, and filtered or grouped views for quick filtering. Then configure list settings like versioning, content types, item-level permissions, alerts, and power automate flows. Finally, test by adding items and verifying permissions. If something goes wrong, check permissions first, review lookup and threshold limits, and ensure no column name conflicts. If issues persist, roll back recent changes or consult site admin for tenant limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.